And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year. It's day 27. Let me show you how we can use the methods that I've shown you in the last tutorials to create silhouettes. When you've got your photos right here, for example dancer, you can try to use the quick selection tool. Adjust the size a little bit, make sure you're on the second mode, the add mode, then go over this. It might give you good results. Well, let me press Ctrl D here, I copy the original, and now I'll show you how I would do it. At first I would use a quick action for selecting the subject. It's always a good idea to try that out first, so that the automated system can work for you, and in many cases that's already enough. In our case, it's a good selection down here on the legs, not so good right there on the left arm, but right arm, face, and even the hair is alright. So we only have to clean this part up here, and to do it we'll use the quick selection tool, go down with the brush size, and then I use the third mode for subtracting, and I go over this part right here with the left click drag. And it's going to exclude that part from the selection. We don't have to be perfect with the hair when we create silhouettes. So the selection that we've got now should be good. I'll create a new layer. It's called layer 1. Then I click on these little icons right here for black and white. And I make sure black is my foreground color. Now I use the paint bucket tool right here. G is the shortcut for it. And I left click on my selected area. And now you can see we've got our silhouette. I press Ctrl D to deselect. And I go one step below in the layers menu, create a new layer for our background, make white my foreground color, left click on the checkerboard design, and here we can also see it added a little bit of a fragment that we don't need. So I go to layer 1 again where the silhouette is, use my brush, make it the color of the background, and then I go over this, and then we're good. So as you can see, in most cases you need a combination, or it's a good idea to use a combination of many tools. When you select your subjects, I would always try to use the automated select subject first, and then use the manual option, for example the quick selection on top, to clean up parts that the automated system didn't select properly. But this is how you can create a silhouette in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.